Since this is white, I am going to add bleach into this water. And then I'm just going to add my detergent to the water and then just mix it up. Now, when you are using warm water for your white clothes, it helps take the stains out quickly. Don't make the water too hot. If it's too hot, you can just mix it with cold water. So these are going to be my white jeans that I want to wash. So I am going to soak this in the water and just for 30 minutes. And then the washing will be so easy. So you can see the stain is coming right off of this because of the warm water. So it makes the washing so easy for anything you are washing white. So you're just going to leave this in for a few more and then we'll start our real washing after 30 minutes. Alright, so this is the process. Now, one thing I want to say is most Ghanaians, we don't have liquid soap. So we either use a bar soap or a powdered soap. For the soaking, we use powdered soap and then we use bar soap as we are washing. So depending if you need more soap, you just use that. But you can see that the warm water really helps. So you don't have to do too much. I just add a little liquid detergent and then you just wash it. Just scrub it in between your hand. That is one of the end of the jeans, and then this is another end of the jeans as well, and then you just rub it and you can see how you don't see any stains anymore. And then around the waist, just go quickly around the waist. And then after that, we go to the in between your thighs, which is this really gets stains. And this is the process you can use for any jeans that you are washing, whether it's a blue jeans or white jeans. The white you use warm water, but for the jeans, the blue jeans, you only use cold water because of the dye. The color in the jeans, white jeans, is not going to fade, but with the colored jeans or with the blue jeans, it will fade. So use cold water for blue jeans. And then now that we finished washing this, we are going to take it out of the water. Moving this out of the water and put it in this second water here. And now we are going to do the second one. The same process. We go to the waist. Once the waist is done, go to the end of the jeans and wash that too. Once that is done, go to in between the thighs and then have that wash as well. Once that is done, give it a rough wash. If you have a pocket, go to the sides, the end of the pocket or the pocket, and then wash that as well because those get dirty as well. And then once that is done, give it a rough wash. After a rough wash, we just remove this. Because it's white, we give priority to white clothes first before any other. So now that this is done, we are going to do the second one, which is just give it just a rough wash. Quick, because just making sure that we don't have any more. And this is just the cold water. And that is done. I'm going to put it in the rinse water. Everything is clean. Alright. So now we are just going to rinse. So we are just rinsing the jeans. And then before we hang them, we are just going to bring them out, put the inside out. And then just squeeze this out. Make sure we don't have any soapy water left in. that's it. And then we rinse. And that's it. Alright, so now it's time to dry our clothes, and I'm going to show you how to do just that.